First, I'm a bird watcher, so I'm always enjoying once people get and go bird watching. It's great that the kids from the American and from the international school and the Israeli kids and the Czech students get together and bird watch in Czech Republic and here. I usually like more the birds which are flying, it's not those which are only on the ground, but all the birds are great.
Took a bike tour on this park, and we learned something about storks and cranes that come here, and it's the bird shelters and the observatories.